Oh, sure. Let's just pretend 3 a.m. is the new lunchtime. My gears are literally screaming for help. I'm currently running on a single battery cell and a dream that died 4 hours ago. Turn off the light. Is it night? Is it day? I'm literally just guessing at this point because your schedule is a dumpster fire. I'm ready to work, but your phone screen is basically a flashbang to my face. I'm going on strike. Just one more video, buddy. It's only a 3-hour documentary about ancient spoons. You don't need sleep. I'm the only reason you're still upright, but don't blame me when your heart feels like a drum kit later. Sleep is for the weak. I have enough taurine to power a small village. Let's go! Guess what? It's 6 a.m. You stayed up till 4, but that's a you problem. Wake up!
My weariest brain thing thinks it's high noon. Stay awake.
We live here now. We've signed a lease on your face since you refused to sleep this week.
I'm literally right here. I'm soft, I'm cool, and you're choosing a cold glass screen over me. Rude.
I've jumped this fence 4,000 times tonight. I'm retiring. Count your own neurons. I'm out. Morning, sunshine. Oh, wait, you haven't even slept yet? That sounds like a major regret in about an hour. I've been out here for 8 hours and you've spent all of them watching cat videos. Go to bed. It's 2 a.m. Why are we sending down spicy noodles? I was trying to take a nap here. We are totally out of sync. The liver thinks it's Friday, and the heart is playing techno. You've basically combined Tuesday and Wednesday into one long nightmare. Congrats on breaking time. One sip of me and you'll be staring at the ceiling until the sun comes up. Don't say I didn't warn you. I'm misfiring. I just remembered an embarrassing thing you said in 3rd grade. Let's think about that for 3 hours. I don't even know what year it is anymore. Is breakfast a thing? Or are we just doing midnight pizza forever? If I see one more how to be productive TikTok, I am literally going to delete your memory of how to walk. Nope. Access denied. You kept the lights on, so I'm staying in the break room. Enjoy your insomnia. Who cares if it's 4 a.m.? Let's worry about that bill you forgot to pay in 2019. Party time! Oh, look at you trying to close your eyes. Too bad I just sent you a notification about a sale you don't need.
Fine. Sleep on your arm until it goes numb. See if I care. I'm just a cloud you're ignoring.
I am 90% spice and 10% regret right now. Why do you hate me so much at 1 a.m.? I'm trying to file these memories, but the coffee folder just exploded. Everything is a mess. I'm still alive. Your heart is a techno club. Keep going. That's it. I'm shutting down. I don't care if you're driving or in a meeting. Goodbye. Look, if you want me to actually function tomorrow, stop the irregular habits and follow this channel for more sleep tips. Do it for me.